Good evening, everyone, boys and girls. Welcome back with the second puzzle in this puzzle page. Not in today's newspaper on Monday, February the 5th, 2024. I've told you earlier, in today's newspaper, we have no extra puzzles, no additional. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of this weekend edition. The weekend edition, Saturday, Sunday, February the 3rd. February the 4th, 2024. And in this puzzle page, I've already solved one puzzle, the Sudoku with 3 stars. And it's time now for the binary. Yes, binary time. And this one will be number 7942. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 28 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and correction, 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, let me start with the double O's. Here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Then between the O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in the last row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Then, interesting. I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O, so that box should be a 1. Between the ones comes an O. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. And an O between an 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is number 5, the fifth O. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. Here. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I think we need to come. Oh no, double O. Here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Double one here, no, there, no. Double O here, one, there, one. Double one here, no, there, no. Double O here, one, there, one. Double one here, no, there, no. Double O here, one, there, one. Double one here, no, there, no. Double O here, one, there, one. Double one here, no, there, no. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct. In 5 minutes. We solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles in the additional of the weekend edition. Until then, bye bye for now.